Good morning, class 7th. Today we are going to start English grammar subject. Okay. In this we are going to start chapter number 4, auxiliary verb, primary auxiliaries and models. Okay. Already we have done the question answers and definition of this chapter. Now today we are going to start the exercise of this chapter. In this some sentences are given. In this you have to write that it is main verb, or in this you are having auxiliary verbs. Okay. First is it has done for you. After that, second, my friend has completed his verb. In this what we will write? Auxiliary verb. After that, third, I had a guest yesterday. In this it is main verb. Okay. After that, next, I had returned before they left. In this also you have to write auxiliary. Okay, it is also auxiliary verb. After that, fifth, do you drive a car? In this also you have to write auxiliary verbs. Sixth, they do hard work at home. It is main verb. After that, in seventh, the boys do not talk in the class. It is main verb. Eighth, I am very tired after the long walk. Auxiliary verb. After that, ninth, I am taking rest after the long walk. It is also auxiliary verb. Okay. After that, in this 10th, are you capable enough to do it? It is also main verb. Next, what was his name? Auxiliary verb. 12th, who will be the next chairman? Auxiliary verb. 13th, that can be the answer. Auxiliary verbs. 14, we will be punished for his misdeeds. Auxiliary verbs. And 15th, were you invited by them? It is also auxiliary verb. This you have to fill in these boxes. Okay, here the fill-ups is given. In this you have to fill. Okay. After that, next, fill in the blanks using the suitable form of primary auxiliary be, do or have with auxiliary if needed. Okay. In this also same, some sentences are given. This you have to complete. First, I was doing my homework, so I did not see it. In this what we have filled? Was. Second, it is raining, we cannot go now. What we have filled? Is. Third, they were waiting when we arrived. Were. Fourth, they are properly qualified, they have passed BTech. Okay, we have filled have. Fifth, Sheila is absent, she has gone home. In this what we have filled? Has. After that, sixth, the sky is cloudy, it is raining when we reach home. What we have filled? Is. Next, seventh, I cannot say anything about the incident because I have not seen it. Okay, have we have filled. Next, they were having lunch when I left. What we have written? Were. After that, ninth, I was writing an article when the phone rang. Was. Next, she has decorated her house, it looks nice now. What we have filled? Has. After that, 11th, the dog does not bark at the ghost because it knew them. Does. 12th, they had left when we reached. What we have written? Had. Next, he had been waiting for 2 hours now. What we have filled? Had been. 14, John has been staying there since 2011. What we have written? Has been. Next, the results were published, she has passed. Okay, this we have completed. Now next you have to take out the exercise number 4.2. in this also what you have to complete, in this some fill-ups has given. This you have to fill in the blanks with suitable written shall और will. इसके अंदर shall या will लिख के आपको इसको fill-up करना है. तो कौन से सेंटेंस में shall यूज़ होगा और कहाँ पे will यूज़ होगा. ओके, फर्स्ट, she shall pass the exam if she studies well. Second, I will help you at any cost. Third, every soldier will report to the commander before the parade. Fourth, don't worry, you will be paid your fully salary. Fifth, we will leave for Mumbai next Sunday. Now next, don't ridicule me, this time I will pass the exam. Okay, after that, this is my new year resolution that I will never smoke. 8th, we promise you that we will finish the work in time. After that, next, if they do not inform me, they will lose the chance. 10th, we shall meet the principal when he is free. Okay, after that, in this, what you have to do in next question, fill in the blank suitably with must not and need not. You have to fill only this and you have to complete these fill-ups. You must not respect this fault. Repeat this fault. After that, second, she must not talk to her parents rudely. Third, they need not come for work tomorrow as tomorrow is a holiday. After that, fourth, you must not shout in the office. Fifth, she need not come tomorrow as she is not required. Sixth, he must not drive when he is drunk. After that, seventh, Seema need not take her umbrella as we are going by car. Next, the students must not bring their pets to school. After that, they need not bring lunch as there will be a party at 1 p.m. Next and last sentence, he need not advise her. It is of no use. After that, next exercise, it is fill in the blanks with suitable models. In this, you have to fill the models. First, I'll read. You must not smoke. It is injurious to health. After that, second, shall I ask a doubt? Madam, okay. After that, third, I could easily do the work yesterday. Next, the sky is overcast. It may rain. Fifth, no one knows where he is. He might have gone to Delhi. After that, sixth, she may come anytime during office hour. There is no fixed time. Okay. After that, he must not abuse the poor and the needy. Next, we should not hurry. There is enough time. Next, they cannot drop the deal now. They have already paid us. Next, why should I worry? I am confident that I will win. And now last exercise. In this, you have to fill suitable models, auxiliaries to express the meaning. Okay? That what this sentence means. In this, some columns has given here. By this, you can write. Okay? Now, first, he may come if he finishes his work on time. Next, he worked hard so that he could pass. Third, I would like to visit my parents when I am in Delhi. Fourth, can she help others? Others will help her. Fifth, may the Almighty bless you with a son. Sixth, walk carefully lest you will fall. Seventh, we must honor our national flag. Eighth, I will take action against you for your rude behavior. Ninth, if I have time, I will surely help you. 10th and last one, can you please solve this numerical for me? Now, this chapter number 4 is completed and this you have to fill in your book only. Okay? Thank you.